All right, everybody, this is your explainer video for your business plan pitch. So you're gonna notice this week that you've got two different pieces that you're gonna work on. So the very first thing you wanted to work on was going to be this. So this is gonna be your business plan template. You're gonna go ahead and work in here, and you should feel like this is your project, but you should actually feel like it's kind of the sketch out backbones of your project. You will receive points for this. Once you get this done and you've got your thoughts all out and ready to go on your idea, you're now going to be ready to move over to your pitch. So you're going to find your pitch is your second thing to complete for this week. I'm going to flip over here to Schoology so we can take a look. So I'm going to find this in my business plan pitch event with our due date of this Friday. So the first thing that I'm going to do is open up my pitch rubric so I can get an idea of what I'm going to be asking you for. Right up here at the top, we've got two different samples for you. I do want to give you a quick heads up. These samples are from seniors, so they are probably a little bit more elevated than what you're going to do in your pitch, but they are good video samples for you. As you come on down through, this is going to lead you in the order that your pitch should take place, and it's going to give you the little descriptors right over here on what you want to have in each of those sections. So we are telling a story, describing your market, your company description, your competition, your two facts, and then we're going to close. We're looking for your presentation skills, and we're also looking for a visual that we want to make sure we have created. So our rubric is going to be right here for us so we can take a look at that. I'm going to come back over and I've got my